Welcome to our fun English story. Today, join Emily as she helps her sick grandpa feel better. Let's learn together. At home, getting the news from Mom.
Oh, Mom, good morning. What are you doing with that worried look on your face?
Hello, dear. I just got a call from your grandpa. He is feeling very sick today.
Really? What happened to him? Is it something serious, like a bad cold?
He has a high fever and a cough. He needs someone to take care of him.
Poor Grandpa. I will go to his house right now to help him.
That's so kind of you, Emily. He lives alone since Grandma passed away last year.
I know, Mom. What should I bring? Maybe some soup or medicine?
Yes, take chicken soup. It's good for when people are unwell.
Okay, I'll make some quickly. Do you think he has seen a doctor yet?
He called the doctor, but he needs rest and care at home.
I understand. Caring for family is important, especially when they are old.
You're right. Drive safely on your way there, my dear.
I will, Mom. Can you help me pack the soup in a thermos?
Of course. Here, let me show you how to keep it warm.
Thanks. Grandpa always tells funny stories when I visit him.
He does. This will cheer him up a lot, I think.
I hope so. What if he needs more help than just soup?
You can call me if anything goes wrong. I'm here for you.
All right, Mom. I feel better now. Time to go.
Goodbye, Emily. Give Grandpa a big hug for me.
I will. See you later. I'm excited to help.
On the bus, chatting with the driver.
Hello, sir. How long until we reach Oak Street?
About 20 minutes, miss. Why are you in a hurry today?
My grandpa is sick, so I'm going to take care of him.
That's nice. What kind of illness does he have?
He has a fever and a bad cough. It's making him weak.
Poor man. Fever means high body temperature, right?
Yes, exactly. Do you know any home remedies for that?
Drink lots of water and rest. My dad had the same once.
Thanks for the tip. I'll make sure he drinks plenty.
Good idea. Is your grandpa living by himself?
Yes, he is. That's why I'm worried about him.
Family helps a lot. You're a good granddaughter, miss.
Thank you. What does remedies mean? I heard it before.
Remedies are ways to fix or help with the problem, like medicine.
Oh, I see. Natural remedies sound helpful for sickness.
They are, like ginger tea for a cough.
I'll try that. Grandpa loves tea in the evenings.
Me too. We're almost there, just 5 minutes.
Great. This bus ride is fun talking to you.
Anytime. Take care of your grandpa well.
I will. Bye, sir.
At Grandpa's door, greeting the neighbor.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. Is my grandpa inside? He didn't answer the door.
Hi, Emily. Yes, he is. He's resting in bed now.
Thank you. How long has he been feeling sick?
Since yesterday morning. I checked on him earlier today.
That's kind. Did he eat anything for lunch?
Just some toast. He has no appetite right now.
Oh, no. Appetite means wanting to eat, right?
Yes, exactly. Sickness can take that away sometimes.
I brought soup. Hopefully that will help him.
Good choice. Chicken soup is comforting for the ill.
I think so too. Has the doctor come yet?
Not yet, but he called one this afternoon.
All right, I'll go in now to see him.
Be gentle. He's a bit grumpy when unwell.
I know, Grandpa. He's funny even when sick.
True. If you need help, just call me.
Thanks, Mr. Johnson. You're a great neighbor.
No problem. Take good care of him inside.
I will. See you later.
Goodbye, young lady. Good luck.
Thanks again.
In the bedroom, talking to Grandpa.
Grandpa, it's me, Emily. How are you feeling now?
Oh, Emily, my dear, I'm a bit better seeing you.
That's good. Mom told me you have a fever.
Yes, and this cough is annoying me a lot.
Hick, hick. Poor you. Let me feel your forehead.
It's hot, isn't it? Like a warm stove.
Yes, but we'll fix that. I brought some soup.
Thank you. You're always so thoughtful, child.
Of course. Now tell me what hurts the most.
My throat is sore from all the coughing.
Sore means painful, right? Like when I had a cold.
Exactly. It feels scratchy and uncomfortable inside.
I'll make you tea with honey to help.
That sounds nice. Honey is sweet and soothing.
Yes. Do you want to sit up a bit?
Slowly, please. My body feels weak today.
Here, lean on these pillows. Better now?
Much better. You're like a nurse.
I want you to feel happy and healthy soon.
I will, thanks to you. Tell me about your day.
It was busy, but coming here is the best part.
Sweet girl. Shh, don't make me cry with joy.
Haha, no tears. Just rest now.
In the kitchen, preparing medicine with the pharmacist on call.
Hello, Alex. Thanks for answering my call so late.
No problem, Emily. What's wrong with your grandpa?
He has a fever and cough. What medicine should I give?
First, check if he has allergies to anything.
No, he doesn't. Just regular cold symptoms.
Okay, give him acetaminophen for the fever.
Acetaminophen? What does that word mean?
It's a medicine that reduces pain and fever safely.
Got it. How many pills should he take?
1 every 6 hours with water.
All right. What about something for the cough?
Try cough syrup. It helps calm the throat.
Syrup is like thick liquid medicine, right?
Yes, exactly. Measure 2 teaspoons each time.
Thanks. I'll prepare it in the kitchen now.
Make sure he drinks lots of fluids, too.
I will. He's resting in bed upstairs.
Good. Call me if he gets worse overnight.
Okay, Alex. You're a big help tonight.
Anytime. Take care of him well.
Bye. Medicine time soon.
By the bedside, reading a story to Grandpa.
Grandpa, are you ready for a bedtime story?
Yes, Emily. Something light and funny, please.
Okay. This one is about a clever fox.
Sounds good. I love animal tales.
Once upon a time, in a green forest.
Haha, already exciting. Keep going, dear.
The fox wanted to trick the rabbit for food.
Oh no, poor rabbit. What happened next?
But the rabbit was smarter and ran away fast.
Good for him. Clever little guy.
Then the fox learned to be kind instead.
Nice lesson. Stories make me feel better.
Me too. Do you remember telling me stories?
Yes, when you were little. Fun times.
They were. Now it's my turn to tell.
You're doing great. My cough is less now.
Yay! The medicine is working already.
And your care. Whew, almost asleep.
Shh. Close your eyes. Sweet dreams.
Thank you, Emily. Good night.
Night, Grandpa. Sleep well.
In the living room, calling Mom to update her.
Hello, Mom. It's me, Emily. Guess what?
Hi, dear. How is Grandpa this morning?
He's doing so much better now. The fever's completely gone.
Really? That's wonderful news. Tell me everything.
Last night he slept well after the medicine and tea.
Good. Did the cough stop too?
Almost. It's much quieter now, just a little sometimes.
I'm so relieved. You took great care of him.
I tried my best. He even ate some breakfast today.
Breakfast? What did he eat?
Toast with jam and a banana. He said it tasted good.
That's a big improvement. He had no appetite before.
Yes, and this morning he smiled a lot more.
You must feel happy too. I'm proud of you, Emily.
Thank you, Mom. I feel happy seeing him better.
Did the doctor come to check him?
Yes, Dr. Smith came early. He said Grandpa's recovering well.
Perfect. What did the doctor tell you to do next?
Keep giving him water, rest, and healthy food.
Okay, I'll remind you when you come home.
Grandpa wants to thank you for worrying about him.
Oh, tell him I love him and miss him.
I will. He said the same about you. When will you come back home, dear? Maybe this afternoon. I want to stay a bit longer.
Take your time. Enjoy the happy moments.
Thanks, Mom. Talking to you makes me feel warm inside.
Me too. See you soon, my sweet girl.
See you soon. Love you, Mom. Bye.
And that's how Emily helped her grandpa get better. Remember, caring for others is special.